This is the Micro Sharpener and Knife Maintenance Tool by WorkSharp. This is for anyone who goes outdoors and carries a knife. Maintain your edge and maintain the fasteners on your knife. It's a two-stage knife sharpener that provides angle guides for the diamond sharpening and the ceramic honing. So it makes it quick, easy, and consistent to maintain your edge. If you carry a knife, it's your responsibility to maintain it. And this delivers a compact, complete way to maintain your knife out in the field for both the sharpness of the edge and the safety and the maintenance of all the fasteners on it. This gives you a complete solution to keep your knife in peak performance. The 3 Torx bits provided are the most common bits in knife hardware. Whether it's your pivot hinge, your chassis fasteners, or your pocket clips, this tool will allow you to maintain your knife. Easily deployed, quickly changed, I can always keep my knife in peak condition.